How about that? I really like these colors. This is gonna be fun. Today we're gonna have a fun inkjet transfer video. And the great thing is that you need very little supplies for today's process. So maybe you even have all the supplies you need already at home. Okay, so let's go. So yeah, this is what we're gonna make today. This transfer method works with many different surfaces, such as wood or canvas, marble tile. It works great on glass, and even this. This was actually done on a framed mirror. So here's quickly what we need today. The photo we're going to use today needs to be a mirror image printed with an inkjet printer on a standard weight copy paper. And you can use color or black and white. You can use text, illustrations, or any other image you have. I'm going to transfer this black and white photo I took of Union Station in downtown Los Angeles. And I'm going to transfer it to this canvas panel. So the transfer medium we're going to use today is CRAFT paints. It's really so much more fun using these paints than any other standard transfer medium. You can use just one paint or as many as you want. And if you have my book, this process is on page 38. Now use the brush to spread the paints over the surface. And as you can see, you don't need a lot of paint, but it needs to be enough to transfer the image. I'm going to add a little more paint here, just to make sure I have enough paint. Now take the photo and place it face down onto the wet paint. Press it down with your fingers as much as possible. It's important to create a good bond between the image and the surface. I also like to use an old card to remove any air bubbles. And if you like this video, make sure to like it and subscribe. I make this type of videos every week and you don't want to miss one. I hope so. If you feel that some areas need more paint, just lift the image and simply add the paint where it's needed. Now let it dry a little, just for a couple of minutes. And then start at the corner and begin removing the top paper. After removing as much paper as you can, spray the back of the paper with clear water. And now carefully rub and continue removing the paper. And don't worry, the paper should come off pretty easily. This is optional, but I like to use an artist knife to scratch and roughen the edges of the image. I just think it looks better this way. When you're done removing most of the paper, you'll see that some stubborn paper is still there. But don't worry, using a clear sealer will get rid of it. You can use a spray finish like this one, or you can use a brush-on varnish with a satin finish. But I like to use the gloss finish because I feel it brings out the image and makes it pop. Sometimes, however, even after sealing the image, the paper is still visible, like it happened here. But no worries, simply apply another coat of the sealer and this should solve the problem. And this photo, by the way, is on glass.
You see? That's glass.
Okay, so now back to our transfer.
Yeah, so this is how it turned out. I think it looks pretty cool. This process is available in my book, the Mixed Media Photography book, which is available on Amazon. So make sure you get it soon. All you need is just a few minutes. And the great thing about this process, so yeah, here is what it looks like. Is that you need very little surprise. So maybe you and if you have my book, this page, so you might even have all the supplies you need. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.